Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today our topic is birthday surprise. Sarah and Mariam had been best friends since childhood. They shared everything with each other from secrets to dreams. They loved spending time together, whether at school, at home, or in the park. As Sarah's birthday was coming closer, Mariam wanted to do something very special for her best friend. Mariam knew that Sarah loved surprises, so she started planning a secret birthday celebration. She thought about what would make Sarah the happiest. After thinking for a while, she came up with a great idea, a surprise birthday party with all of Sarah's favorite things. First, Mariam made a list of everything Sarah loved. She wrote down her favorite colors, food, music, and flowers. She also noted down Sarah's favorite place to hang out. Then she called Sarah's family to ask for their help. Sarah's parents were very happy with the idea and agreed to support Mariam. Next, Mariam invited all of Sarah's close friends. She told them to keep it a secret because she wanted Sarah to be completely surprised. Everyone was excited and promised not to tell Sarah anything. Mariam and her friends worked together to decorate the venue. They chose a beautiful garden where Sarah loved to spend time. They decorated it with fairy lights, balloons, and flowers. They also set up a table filled with Sarah's favorite snacks, a big birthday cake, and colorful gifts. On the morning of Sarah's birthday, Mariam acted as if it was just another normal day. She wished Sarah a simple happy birthday and spent some time with her at school. Sarah did not expect anything special, so she was not suspicious. In the evening, Mariam's plan was ready. She called Sarah and asked her to come to the garden, saying she needed help with something. When Sarah arrived, the lights suddenly turned on and everyone shouted surprise. Sarah was completely shocked. She could not believe her eyes. The garden looked magical, and all her friends and family were there. She felt so happy that tears came to her eyes. She hugged Miriam tightly and thanked her for such a wonderful surprise. The party was full of laughter and joy. They played games, sang songs, and danced together. Sarah cut her birthday cake while everyone clapped and cheered. She received beautiful gifts, but the best gift was the love and effort Miriam had put into the surprise. Sarah felt lucky to have a best friend like Miriam. She realized that true friendship is not about expensive gifts but about love, care, and thoughtful gestures. That birthday became one of the most memorable days of her life. As the night ended, Sarah and Miriam sat together looking at the stars. This was the best birthday ever, Sarah said happily. Miriam smiled and replied, because you are the best friend ever. Their friendship grew even stronger that day, and they promised to always be there for each other, no matter what. The surprise birthday party was not just a celebration of Sarah's birthday, but also a celebration of their beautiful friendship. Thanks for watching my video. Until next time, goodbye.